Convert Canada Visitor Visa to Work Visa 2023, Tourist Fees. It is not possible to convert a tourist visa to a work visa in Canada. These two types of visas are completely different, and there is no automated process to modify a visitor visa to a work visa. Working in Canada on a visitor visa is illegal and can result in deportation and a ban on re-entry to the country. Canadian employers are legally obligated to hire only candidates with valid work permits and social insurance numbers, (SIN). It is suggested that applicants follow the law and maintain a clear profile. If an individual has a travel visa but wants to work in Canada, they must reapply for a Canadian visa with a work permit. If their profile meets the eligibility requirements and they have all the necessary documents, the Immigration Department may approve their application for a work visa. Failure to comply with the visitor visa conditions, such as seeking paid employment in Canada, can have serious consequences, including being unable to settle in Canada permanently. Applying for a Canadian PR visa can only be done from outside of Canada, with some exceptions. One can apply for a work permit from inside Canada if they meet certain criteria, such as having a high comprehensive ranking system (CRS) score for PR visa. To apply for a Canadian work visa, applicants need to submit certain supporting documents. The application process can be completed online or through paper applications at a Canadian visa office. Some candidates choose an alternate route by initially obtaining a student visa and then searching for employment after completing their studies. It is important to be cautious of individuals posing as immigration consultants who promise to convert travel visas into work permits. This practice is not allowed by the Canadian government. For accurate information about work visas and other immigration options, it is recommended to consult trusted professionals at reputable Canadian immigration consulting agencies. These professionals can evaluate and analyze an individual's profile and provide guidance on the legal steps to take. Please note that the information provided in this summary is based on the original text and may not reflect the most up-to-date immigration policies and procedures. It is always advisable to refer to official government sources for the most accurate and current information. Subscribe our channel, Explore Everywhere.